In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a lunch break in QuickBooks Time. Now to do this, you want to go to the left menu here and you want to click on Feature Add-ons at the very bottom left. And from here, you want to click on Breaks. Now when you are in here, it's going to first open this break store. You can just go ahead and basically click through it, click on Exit, and there we go. We have the breaks preferences. Now in here, you can click on plus add break rule. And of course, you can name it. So for example, we're going to name this one lunch break. Of course, it could be whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in lunch break just like this. And then whenever you do that here, you basically have to type in a few more things. So you have the short code. I'm just going to type in lunch right now. And then you have the length. So I'm going to do it 30 minutes. Of course, you can make it whatever you want. And of course, you could do no set length as well if that's something you want to do. Then you have two types. You have paid and unpaid. So it's completely up to you, whichever one you click here. I'm just going to click on paid. And then here you can select either if you want to give it to all team members, or you can just select specific ones in case that's relevant in your case. Then here you can also make your break automatic. So of course, if you check this, you'll be able to see you can basically select when you want it to be, and of course days of the week, and then you can insert the breaks and you can place break at, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do here. And for me, I'm just going to leave it like that, as you can see. And yeah, I'm going to leave it like this to basically keep it on every work day, and then they can basically automatically get filled in. Or you could do manual break, where basically worker can start or stop a break. So it's up to you, whichever one you want to do. I'm going to select this one, click on the save button, and that's all you have to do. As you can see, the lunch break has been added. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.